Nandito na kami ngayon sa loob for oath taking. Isusurrender namin yung green card namin. And then, bibigyan nila kami ng certificate of naturalization.
John Sabino?
Total kami dito ngayon sa loob, 11. Tinatawag isa-isa. Tinatawag kami isa-isa para isurrender yung green card namin. Ito, the green card.
You can just go to a preparer. As long as there's nothing that can, hold her back, like arrest, prior immigration issues, it's pretty easy to do.
Okay.
It just takes time to sit down and, write it all up.
Okay. So I'll just search about it.
You're going to be looking about spending around $2,000.
$2,000.
Given over to like 2020, depending on where the medical gets done.
Okay.
The medicals tend to be between 200 to like around 800 to 1,000. But hopefully they're not ripping you off on the medicals. So you just want to make sure that shouldn't be more than $200-300.
Okay, so the processing will take
about, I would say, between 9 months to about 14 months.
okay, so once I start this application, she gets paid here, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So what that's considered is like a change of status. So it's an adjustment of status, right?
Okay.
So she's here legally. But while that application is pending, she
Yeah.
cannot just leave
Okay.
without the I-131 first being approved. Not the I-130, the I-131, the advance parole. Because you'd have permission to leave because you have something pending with the immigration.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
But once you sit down, you print them out, they're very easy to do. And most of the information from one application to another.
Congratulations to us. Today is July 14. Pasa na namin. Citizen na kami ni Jonah. Congrats, Jonah. Love you. Yan. So ang next step namin is mag-apply for US passport. And then pwede na daw simulan yung application ng petition namin kay Mama Weng. So yun lang, guys. Salamat sa suporta. Jonah, magbabay ka na.
Thank you, America.
Woo! Congrats, Jonah!
Congratulations.
Sa wakas, citizen na kami dito sa US. Starting today, July 14, 2021. Kaya thank you, Lord, sa lahat. Thank you sa opportunity.
Yes.
Sobrang bilis lang nung process ng interview. 10 questions. 6 lang na question tinanong sa akin. Then, very smooth. Nasa loob. Pero muntik na ako magkamali sa isang tanong. Tinulungan pa nga ako nung nung officer. Ikukwento ko sa inyo yung experience na namin kaagad kasi baka makalimutan ko eh. So, I'm making this video para sa mga malapit nang mag-interview sa citizenship nila. So, ang first step na gagawin mo pagkarating mo doon, hindi ka pwedeng dumating doon ng sobrang aga. 15 minutes before your interview lang pwede. Hindi ka nila i-entertain. So, ganun, halos eksakto yung time na pagkarating namin doon. So, 15 minutes and then
turn left.
Ewan ko, nag-iba yata yung tawag nito, yung rule ngayon. Yung citizenship interview at saka yung oath taking pinagsabay na sa amin. Dati yata hindi ganun. 3 months waiting bago nangyari yung COVID thing. Pero ngayon sabay-sabay na para mas madali. Actually mas madali yun. Mas pabor sa amin. Once na pinapasok ka dun sa loob, ang ilalabas mo dun muna is yung appointment letter. Yun, confirmation, check yun ng security guard. And then saka kayo papapasukin, magche-check in kayo, may officer na nakakausap sa inyo, i-verify yung information dun sa letter na papakita ninyo. And then another question would be, kami kasi mag-asawa kami pumasok dun, akala namin sabay kaming i-interviewin yung isang officer na mag-interview sa amin, pero hindi, separate. They gave us separate tickets. So, ang naunang tinawag si Jonah. Di ba? Ikaw ang unang tinawag. So, 2 different officers nag-interview sa amin, which is okay lang. So, ang pinakaunang tinanong sa akin, what is your name, what is your birth date, and then merong reading exam. Pababasahin ka ng one full English sentence. So mag-a-appear yun sa isang tablet na nasa harap mo. Sasabihin sa'yo ng officer, okay, read what is written on the tablet. Babasahin mo yun. Sobrang dali lang yung sa akin. Naalala ko pa, sabi nung sentence, we must pay all the taxes to the government. Yun yung pinabasa sa akin. And then yung second part ng exam would be written. So may sasabihin yung officer sa'yo na sentence, isusulat mo dun sa tablet. Gagamitin mo lang yung finger mo, touchscreen. So pinasulat sa akin is we pay taxes. Sobrang dali. And then pagkatapos nun, sasabihin niya, okay, we proceed to the civics test. Ang unang tanong sa akin is who is the president of the United States, which is Joe Biden. Then tinanong how many amendments to the United States, to the Constitution, tama ba? Doon muntik na ako magkamali, sabi ko 10. Tapos tinignan ako ng officer, sabi niya 20, tinulungan niya ako 20. Naalala ko 27 ang sagot. Tapos pareho kaming tumawa. And then tinanong niya yung third question is what is the capital of California? That is Sacramento. And then sa'yo, Jonah, i-share mo kung ano yung mga naitanong sa'yo.
Apat lang ata natandaan ko. Who is the Vice President of the United States?
That is Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris. What state did France? Was there something about that? Which is Louisiana.
May tinanong sa akin din, give me 2 holidays in the United States. Sobrang dali, sabi ko.
Pero you advise them to review the 100 civic question. It's all in YouTube naman.
Oh yeah, doon kami nagsimula sa YouTube.
Paulit-ulit lang namin pinapakinggan.
Sobrang laking tulong doon sa YouTube kasi random questions yun eh. Pinagbabalik-baliktad yung mga tanong. And
so
then,
they will choose 10 and you have to answer 6 out of the 10 correctly.
Pero hindi ka paaabutin ng 10 question kung nakuha mo na yung first 6 questions ng tama. So pag nakuha mo yung first 6 questions, sasabihin niya kaagad, okay, you passed the civics exam. And then naalala ko, sabi ng officer, I will recommend you to pass the naturalization, sabing gano'n. So sinubmit niya. Within 1 minute, may nagprint na paper. Okay, congratulations, you are a citizen. Sabi niya gano'n. And then, bibigyan niya sa'yo yung paper, parang confirmation. Sasabihin niya sa'yo na, okay, today will be your oath taking, sabi niya. So, nagantay kami ng mga 45 minutes kahit gutom na kami. Okay lang yun. So, 1:30, pagkarating ng 1:30, this time sa oath taking, sabay-sabay kayo nung lahat ng mga pumasa. Ang kasama namin doon sa kwarto, 11 kami lahat. So ang mangyayari ngayon doon sa oath taking room, ibibigay mo yung letter na binigay sa'yo nung officer na nag-interview, then isusurrender mo na yung green card mo. You're gonna surrender your green card. And then bibigyan ka ng packet, information on how to apply for American passport, plus bibigyan ka ng certificate of naturalization. So yun ang pinaka-importante. Kailangan tama yung detail na nakasulat doon, yung birthday mo, full name mo, address, and then bibigyan ka rin nila ng advice regarding IRS. Sa pag-file ng taxes mo, kailangan mong after 2 to 3 months, kailangan
not IRS, SSS.
SSS.
You need to update your social security
after 2 to 3 months para malaman nila na hindi na kami
PR.
PR, which is citizen na nga kami. So, ganun lang, kadali, hindi siya complicated. Nung nakita ko yung officer na approachable, nawala na agad yung kaba ko eh. Tsaka nung nagkamali ako, tinulungan pa nga ako eh, sa sagot. So, from then, madali lang. Then nagtanong na rin kami ng information on paano namin sisimulan yung petition kay Mama Weng. So, ang sabi sa amin, pwede na daw siyang mag-extend dito without going home in the Philippines.
Without extending her tourist visa.
So, kasi yung tinatak sa passport niya, yung latest ngayon hanggang November lang eh. Pero kung sisimulan na namin yung application ngayon, pwede na namin palitan ng change
Immigrant,
of status.
yeah. Adjustment of status.
O yun, ang gagawin namin, adjustment of status para makapag-extend na siya dito. Hindi na niya kailangang umuwi. And nagbigay rin siya ng rough estimate kung magkano gagastusin namin, nasa $2,000.
That's okay.
So, thank you Lord, maraming salamat talaga sa opportunity,
Sa blessings, and yeah, pagbubutihin pa namin kung anong hinahawakan kong work ngayon, pagbubutihan ko pa. And I think yun ang calling eh. That's the calling. That's the calling, na maging nurse, makatulong sa mga ibang tao dito. Yun lang. Until my next video guys, okay? Kita kits.